We will now work on the fifth task, save in different file formats in saving workbooks skill. Let's move to Excel, and this is the file from our previous exercise. Please go to the backstage through the file tab and click export, and now we will use this option, create PDF XPS document, since we are going to save our file in a different file format. In the right pane, click this button, create PDF XPS. And click this, you have this publish as PDF or XPS dialog box open in front of you. Now we will first of all specify the location. Click desktop and select this folder, Excel Lesson-02. Now please ensure that the save as type is selected as PDF, and then click publish. This is our PDF file opened by Adobe Acrobat Reader. You can close this file, leave the Excel file open for the next exercise.